If you and I knew plumbing, you and I would never need to call United Plumbing, U-N-I-T-E-D. But you and I can't fix a pipe or a faucet filled with lime, so we always call United, and they're there right on time.
Hi, this is Mike with United Plumbing, and here's your plumbing tip of the week. When you have a major plumbing problem, it's always best to get at least 3 estimates from a reputable, licensed, and insured company.
That's right, Mike. When a major plumbing problem happens in your life, it's always best to do your research. Here at United Plumbing, we want you to make the best decision for your home and finances. That's why we are always happy to answer any question you may have, so you'll feel confident when one of our team members arrive. When you place your trust in us, you will receive the highest level of customer satisfaction through our fair pricing, our industry-leading commitment to education, our high-quality workmanship, and our excellent customer service. So Google United Plumbing today and see how we can serve you.